Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to unhide a tab in Salesforce. It's really straightforward, but it can be a tricky thing to remember. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. I put out new Salesforce content each week, but let's go ahead and jump into this. Now to do this, you're actually going to be doing this at the profile level. So if you have multiple profiles that need to see this object, see the tab, then you're going to need to do this for each profile. But we're going to do it for the system admin profile because that's what I'm logged in as. So just go ahead and search profile in setup and click on it. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to find the profile you're looking to make the tab available for. We're going to select on the system admin, and then we're going to hit the edit button. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to see this setting right here, tab settings. Today, we're going to be turning on the surveys tab for the surveys object. If you know anything about it, once you enable surveys, the tab is naturally hidden automatically. You're going to want to scroll down to your survey object here, and you see right here, it says surveys tab hidden. So I'll show you what it looks like now when you try to search for surveys. So I'm going to try to look for the survey objects. We're going to hit the 9 dots and we're going to type in survey and nothing comes up. Even if we hit view all and you try to look for it, it will not pop up for you. So I'm going to close that out. Back on our profiles tab, we're going to go ahead and change this to default on. So default on means it is visible to the users. And we're going to scroll back up and hit save. Okay, now it's saved. So I'm gonna go back to my other tab and I'm just gonna refresh it real quick. And we're gonna hit on the 9 dots and we're gonna search surveys again and look at it. There it is. There's our survey object. We can go to it. But yeah, this is a relatively easy process to do, but it can be tricky at first. So that's how you turn a tab on. And to turn a tab off, you do the exact same thing. You go into the profile you're looking to hide the tab for. You can change it to tab hidden, or change it to default off. But if you found this video informative, make sure you hit that like button. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.